What to do with this? Ah, I know. Hello everyone and welcome to Terrarium and Crafts. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. I post several times a week and I share some of my tips with you all, some shop with me, some crafts, DIYs, hauls, and I also host giveaways, so make sure you do stick around and click the subscribe button. So what have I got for you all today? Well, today I am participating in a $5 Goodwill challenge for the summer edition. This challenge is hosted by Hillary at the Old World Home, and what you have to do is find a second-hand item from a thrift store or wherever, and you have to show how you're going to decorate it or use it in your home. And the item that you pick up has to be $5 or under, and you can pick up one item or however many come up to that total. So this is the item that I have picked up from the charity shops here in the UK, and you don't have to give it a DIY or craft it or give it a makeover, but that's what I'm going to do because I'm a crafter and I love crafting. So these here are some DIYs that I've made, and all of these tutorials are on my channel if you want to check them out. This is just sort of an insight into the things that I like to make. These are just one of the things I love doing, creating small, miniature, magical worlds. I've decided to go with something similar to this to match the theme that's going on. So let's get started, and we're going to create something amazing, bring it to life, and then we can decorate it along with these beautiful items. So the very first thing I'm going to do is give this a wipe and a clean. Next, you want to get your bag of gravel, take a handful and put some in the base up to around here, and then give it a rinse. So here is my gravel, nice and washed. Next you're going to take your soil and we're going to pour a layer of that inside here. Next you're going to grab a plant, and I'm using a fern for this. So now I've put all of the soil in, I'm just going to cover the soil with some moss. Once you've covered everything with moss, this is how it's going to look. Now we're going to start decorating with our fairy accessories. And I've got these from Poundland. I'm taking this succulent here to add in the middle just there. I'm also taking some dried flowers and dried plants, and I'm going to add that just for decoration and colour. So here is the finished fairy garden, and so this is how I've chosen to display these scales and my $5 item. As soon as I saw this item, I knew that the fairies, they had to live here. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below, especially if you are a new viewer. I would love to hear from you. So you can also go ahead and introduce yourself. If you love what you see, then don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. I make lots of miniature worlds, but I do have a soft spot for fairies. So that's it for today's DIY. Tune in for the next one and I'll see you then. Take care of yourselves. Bye.